Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with another short Makera Cyclone Dust Collector tutorial video. And in this one, we're going to look at the routine maintenance for your Makera Cyclone Dust Collector. So let's dive in. Now, we recommend performing routine maintenance on your Makera Cyclone Dust Collector regularly based on use. Initially, this includes emptying the dust bin and cleaning out the dust pipe if shavings build up within, and cleaning the chamber of the filter housing as it's normal for an accumulation of dust in this chamber between the filter and dust bin. The Cyclone also has a few different filters that can be cleaned before needing replacement, and the need for cleaning these will vary, but we typically recommend cleaning them every 30 hours or so based on normal operating circumstances. The filter guard can easily be removed by depressing the two retaining clips. The first stage of the filter is a dust screen. This can easily be cleaned with a brush or compressed air or a vacuum. Avoid washing this part to reduce the tendency for deterioration. The second and third stage filters are combined within the filter cartridge. This cartridge is not reversible and it should not be washed. The surface of this filter can also be cleaned with a brush or a vacuum after frequent use. When reinstalling the filters, take note that there's a sensor switch at the bottom of the filter chamber to detect if the filter is installed correctly. This switch will trigger a flashing light on the operating dial, preventing the dust collector from turning on if the filter is not seated properly. And if you find that your filters are clogged or that there's a loss in suction or even a potential odor, then we recommend replacing the filters after regular use. This again will vary depending on the use and the materials that you're working with, but we estimate this to be around 300 hours of operating time with your Makera Cyclone Dust Collector. It's also important to replace the pre-staged sponge filter used for air purification with laser engraving operations regularly, as this filter cannot be cleaned effectively. And remember to always remove this filter prior to using the Cyclone for dust collection operations. Thanks for watching. We dive deeper into the actual setup and use of the Makera Cyclone Dust Collector in some of our other tutorials and guides. Of course, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.